Welcome back to Generate with Keyspin Art. In this video, I'm introducing the best AI book cover generator in the world. Now, I said that really slowly, so sorry for wasting your time, but it deserves that kind of intro. Because what you're seeing over here are book covers that were created with just a prompt with AI. So let me just show you the prompt here. Over here, the book name is The Neat Freak. Now, you don't have to put a book name here if you want to do it manually. And then I've written a prompt here, which I actually got ChatGPT to kind of help me write this out perfectly, because what I wanted was an image that would be half messy and half clean. And I wanted the AI to split the book cover into two. And here we are. I just regenerated this again. And as you can see, first of all, the text is perfect. That's number one. This is a usable book cover that's come straight out of an AI output. And if you could see, this part of the image is messy and this part is much more clean and neat. So this is usable in my opinion. I personally wouldn't pick this one because I have a preference. I want real drama on my front cover. So as you can see, the difference between this and this is perfectly usable. You just have to remove over here some artifacts. Over here where my cursor is. Let's carry on and see more. So as you can see, this is not usable, obviously. The image itself is pretty good because you have a big mess on this side. And over here, you can see it's perfect. But the text is not usable. So fine, this one's not usable straight out the box. And this one here is, in my opinion, usable. As you can see, the mess is over here. And she's used her magic wand to fix this side. You just have to change your name down here. So as you can see, more or less, almost every one of these images is usable. And basically, this has never been done before. Now, I just want to show you something over here. Okay, so here we're getting some different results. Of course, you could just see I keep regenerating and getting consistent, high-quality results, which is actually finally what we've been waiting for. Now, over here, you can change the shape of the book cover. You can change square, vertical and horizontal. I'm not sure when you ever need a horizontal book cover, but it's just there in case you need it for some special case. So as you can see, this could probably be used for a children's book or of some sort if you didn't have any images to reference. In the future, we may add some referencing images, but right now, as you can see, this would work perfectly on a square book. This is perfectly usable. In fact, this image might be the perfect one for you. You just have to remove the word the over here. So how do you get access to this tool? The link is in the description, of course. It's not on our primary website, generate.net. It's actually on keyspinart.com. It's much cheaper. It only costs you 1 credit for every 4 images, which is absolutely cheap. We're going for quality and price with this specific book cover generator. Make sure you bookmark this. You don't want to miss this. It's going to make your life very, very easy. Let's just have a look at some horizontal images just to see that it does something right, because I've never actually tried it before, to be perfectly honest with you. I just want to see myself that it works. So as you can see, this would be a funny, let me just zoom in for you. You probably can't see it. This is like a funny idea here to have a book cover which is really horizontal. This might come in handy for some people. But as you can see, the text is more or less perfect in all the images. The first 2 images, the text was perfect. This one is probably the best, as it definitely is very clear and visible. And you can see half the room is a mess and half the room isn't. So this is definitely something that people should be using. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. Every couple of weeks, or even less, sometimes every week or every day, we release new apps. If you go to the home page here on Keyspin Art, you'll find we have 6 apps all together right now. We have a coloring page creator. So as you can see, let me just move myself here. Oh, I'll move myself, not the image. Let me just shrink myself. I'm just too big over here on the screen. So as you can see, we have the coloring page generated. This is the kind of quality you can expect. Again, this is much cheaper than the one on Generate, but it doesn't let you create books. The logo maker, the image generator is much better than anything you've ever seen before. The mandala generator with text on the image. Also, the coloring page is with text on the image. And then the AI thumbnail for YouTube creates thumbnails. And this is, of course, the cover page, which I'm probably going to use one of these images from today to show you on this once you hover on this. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to never miss any of our new tools, because our tools are going to be the best. Up till now, we focused on a quantity on generate.net. Now we're focusing on quality. So you don't want to miss on quality. You can miss out on quantity, but you can't miss out on quality. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day. Subscribe and let's spread that positive energy and give you success in your lives. Bye for now. Thumbs up.